Hello, hello, hello. Listen to me. Stop wasting time. We only have one life to live. We are not cats. We can't come back and do it over. So whatever those dreams that you've been thinking about, now is the time to go after them. One thing I know for sure is that time waits for no man. It's one of the most precious things out there. When it's gone, you can't get it back. So now is the time to start that first investment. Now is the time to think about buying your first home. Now is the time to think about creating a legacy for your kids. We can't play around anymore. We have to take control of our wealth building. Nobody else is gonna do it but us. So I want you to get up, feel a little oomph, and push yourself to be consistent in your actions. Don't wait for nobody to push you. It is inside you. You have everything you need to be successful, and I want you to make that move. If not for you, think about your kids, think about the future generation, think about your wider community and the change that you can start with right now. If only you just get up and do so.